Welcome back. This is part three. Yeah, I sanded the whole thing down after letting it soak all night in vinegar, and it looks a little bit better. So I went ahead and I scrubbed it down with vinegar again. Yeah, I know. And this is kind of, and then I wiped it dry with a towel, and it's just starting to kind of dry off right now. So I wanted to come out here and kind of see. I mean, it does look like it did remove a little bit of the very light rust around the edges, but I don't think it really removed that much rust like advertised. No, this was just a test. I wanted to see if it would work. It left this like oxide on there, this like rust oxide you can just wipe off. And it also left it in like all these little pits in here. But it's still there. I mean, that rust is not gonna just come away with some vinegar. So we're moving up the acid chart and upping our game to some evapo-rust, which I'm getting from local store, and you can buy it anywhere. I can't find the Rusties like on Cars movie. My kid has, but they actually used to make the stuff in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, and it worked great. But I cannot find like the recipe or who makes it now or what the deal is with it. So we're gonna go with the evapo-rust next. Stay tuned.